Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forrest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a screen protector for the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to install this glass screen protector for my Galaxy Watch 4. You want to protect your beautiful display. You don't want to have a scratch on it. So you have to install a screen protector. So I went to Amazon. I'll have the links in the description. This is from SuperShieldz. 9H hardened protection. Nothing really on the back. It says it's for the 46mm. I'll have the links in the description for both sides, and then let's just get this going. Alright, so you get that little attention book, you get the installation guide, and then here's the little screen protectors here. You get two of them, so hang on to the second one just in case you make a mistake or it gets beat up. So right now mine's not beat up. What I'm gonna do is turn off the screen. Let's see what you get in here. Actually kind of tells you in the back what you get. So you get alcohol wipes. You get some dust stickers and then the guy sticker too. And I guess you get double of it. So let's try to do this on camera. All right, so I'm gonna just open one of the alcohol pads. Clean the watch off. Again, you probably should do this at nighttime. Maybe even in the restroom with the shower on. So that way the dust particles don't get on there. And that way, at least you have at least 8 hours of sleep. That way, the glass can really stick to the display. Nice and clean. Now I'm gonna take my dust remover here. You really shouldn't get no dust because you can basically just leave it there. Get one of your screen protectors out if you want to. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna put this little guy sticker on here. That looks way too big, but we will try it out. So dust remover, I think, is done. If there's dust on there, I'm in trouble. All you want to do is take off the back of this, and let's see if I can get this on camera and do it at the same time. Just make sure it's on there pretty good and even. All right, so it's on there. Got a little bubble right there. I think that will come out in time. Which I think that bubble will come out. Got it pretty good on there. Let's turn it on. Now will it change the sensitivity of your watch? Hopefully not. Alright, so there it is on the watch. Now does it affect the sensitivity? It seems like it does a little bit, but not really too much. They also have where you can go into the settings. Let's do that real quick too. Let's see. You go into display. Right there, touch sensitivity. So if you have a screen protector on the watch, that way it will actually work even better. So now it works even better, look. Alright, so yeah, if you want to pick this up from Amazon, I will have the link in the description. Again, it is the SuperShieldz screen protector. And like I was showing you earlier, the screen protector works great. No problem with touch sensitivity. So yes, this will protect your beautiful display. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Also make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.